To mark a show or movies as unwatched on Netflix. Here's a quick step on how to do that. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to mark as unwatched in Netflix. So the first thing you have to do is open your browser, go to Netflix, enter your email and password to sign in. Click on your profile icon in the right top corner and select account from the drop down menu. Once you do that, scroll down to the my profile section and click on viewing activities. Once you do that, locate the show or movie you wanted to mark as unwatched. You can now use the search bar to find it quickly. So if you remember the title, you can quickly use the search bar and find the movies or show quickly. Once you do that, click on the hide icon next to the title. Then this will remove it from the viewing your viewing history. Once you do that, start watching the episode or movies again. This will reset the watch progress and it will appear as unwatched. And that is a simple guide on how to mark as unwatched or how to reset watch progress in Netflix. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification bell and subscribe for more. Thank you.